We actually had two earthquakes on Saturday morning in East Tennessee. Let me take you to the map and show you what's going on. Part of Loudoun County and over into Ray County as well. And these happen within an hour to 2 hours apart from each other. Here's the details on each one of them. Really under that magnitude 2 range as we go forward, a very shallow depth here. The first one happened at 6:37 a.m. That's right at the border of Loudoun County and Monroe County. The other one happening in Ray County near the city of Graysville happened at 7:56 a.m., just before 8 o'clock.